Hi chickies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. Welcome back for a review slash wear test video. This is on a fairly new product I just saw hit the drugstores. This is from the brand L'Oreal. It's called the Unbelieva Brow. So in case you guys are new here, I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you guys to be a part of the Chicky crew. Don't forget, I upload Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, and Sundays. This is called the Unbelieva Brow. I have the shade 575 Dark Brunette. This is available in 4 different shades and this retails for $16.99. When I see a new brow product, I am like so on it because intrigued by new brow products. I always want to test them out, see what works for me and what doesn't. Brows that last, 93% agreed has good wear, 82% agreed resist a workout. It's waterproof, no smudge, no transfer, and it's sweat resistant, which are a ton of claims. Let's go ahead and open this together and let's see exactly what we receive in here. The Unbelieva Brow, and then it also comes with a dual-ended angled brush with a spoolie, which I really appreciate. I like how they included this because it's always useful to have one of these. It says step 1, lightly apply product to fill in sparse areas. Step 2, use the angled brush to outline and define brow shape arches with feather-like strokes. Step 3, to finish, comb through brows with spoolie. To remove, use an oil-based cleanser. For long wear, avoid cleaning products in the brow area. So that's interesting. It has just a doe foot applicator. Is it a doe foot? Yeah, it's a doe foot applicator. Try this out. Comb through whatever brow hairs I have. I always have a problem in these little areas because it's literally like I'm drawing my brow right onto my skin. With some other products, once you start building up the product, it starts to clump. But so far, with this product, I'm not having that problem. Go and take some concealer. I'm gonna clean up the brow a bit. Application was fairly easy. I did notice on some areas for this brow especially where it was very sparse and I was just drawing the product onto the skin that the product started to slip a little bit, and I would have to make sure when I go in with the angled brush with the product that I'm just dabbing it on, but making sure that it doesn't leave little chunks, and then just fading it out and then going back over it. I like the color. It was very easy to apply. It does say 2-minute application, but for somebody who has very sparse brows and really has to draw them in, it's not going to be 2 minutes. It's still going to take you the same amount of time. It definitely took me under 10 minutes to apply the brows. Curious about how long this has to set before you can actually touch it because it doesn't say anything on here. We're just gonna touch this side and see what happens. And I am pressing hard on the brows. What? Okay, so we get like a tiny bit of smudge. A smidge, and that's also because I use concealer to clean it up. So it did kind of wipe off a bit right underneath where there was concealer. I'm gonna have to touch that up. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. I just want you guys to see like up close in certain areas, like right up here where I applied a bit more brow product. You can see my brow hairs kind of bunching together, but they feel a tad bit crunchy, but not super crunchy. They don't feel stiff. It feels like there is product on your brows, but it is currently 1:20 p.m. I have a couple errands to run today. I'm not exactly sure if we're gonna get to go to one certain place today. I'm gonna find a way to kind of switch up this review, and we're really gonna put these brows to the test and see if it really is an Unbelieva Brow. It is now 4 o'clock. It's like a little bit past 4. It's 4:10. So we're at one of my favorite places, the home away from home. I'm at Six Flags Magic Mountain. I'm only gonna be here for a couple hours. I'm gonna go on a couple of rides. We'll see how these brows hold up, and to be quite honest, after a couple hours, they still look pretty good. There you go. Thank you. So it is about almost 6 o'clock, and I think this is going to be my last ride of the night because I'm going to head home. So we're going to go on Goliath. Last ride. Back seat, best seat. So on the way home from Six Flags, I was trying to think of a way how to make this video a little bit more interesting. So I decided that I would remove the rest of my makeup using the simple Sensitive Skin Water Boost Micellar Facial Gel Wash, but I'm not gonna remove the brows. I wanted to see how these brows would look in the morning. So as much as possible, I made sure that the cleanser didn't touch my brows, but you guys can see my brows got wet here anyway. Did my normal nighttime skincare regimen, and we just let them roll until the next day. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, I took off all my makeup, left the brows on, and now the brows have been on for more than 24 hours, but my face feels really oily. They are still on. They're still looking pretty good. I could actually just go ahead and put the rest of my makeup, but go ahead and take a shower, but I'm not gonna wash my face. I wanna see exactly how these brows are gonna look after the shower, see if they actually are pretty much waterproof. So let's kind of like, let's do like a little wipe test right now. So I mean, they are still pretty much on. It is slightly coming off, but let's put it to the waterproof test. We got pretty up close and personal. I didn't do a time and date check with you guys. It's actually Tuesday, November 6th, 5:27 p.m. So I've had on these brows for over 24 hours. Try rubbing it off now. Okay, so there we go. That right there rubbed off. It's looking like a mess. Keep in mind that this doesn't say that it's a 24-hour brow product. Definitely stayed on for the 24 hours. Go ahead and just take some of this It Cosmetics Miracle Water to remove the product. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply the rest of my makeup, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. You guys, I have to admit that this was probably the easiest brow gel type of product I have worked with. Now, just a little comparison, I have also used the Wonder Brow. I also have a review on that, which I'm gonna link right up here in the card area. But I think the biggest difference between this and the Wonder Brow, because that's pretty much what this reminds me of, is the fact that you have a bit more wiggle room with this product, meaning that it does take a little bit longer to set. Also really like the applicator on this. It is more of like a doe foot applicator, so it's very easy just to kind of use the brush and then pick it up and then apply it onto the brow. Now for certain areas where I do have a lot of sparseness and I'm basically applying it onto the skin, once you apply it and say there's like a little space, you just want to go over it and dab it, then brush it out, and you can build up that area very, very easily. I really appreciate how they also included the dual brush with the angled brush on one side and the spoolie on the other. Definitely very helpful. I was also really surprised with this brush because sometimes I don't like the brush that comes with the brow products, but this one, I know I'm going to be using these two together. I like the tone of this brow product because it is a bit more on the cooler side, not so much on the warm side. It did pass the test of going in the water, in the shower, and you guys saw the end result. I think the brows looked amazing for a wear time of over 24 hours. I also really appreciate how the Unbelieva Brow didn't make my brows feel crunchy. It felt very comfortable, although when you do run your finger over the brow, you can feel that there is product there, but the lasting power is amazing, you guys. It definitely went above and beyond what I had initially expected. Now it is a little bit pricey, $16.99, so definitely use your coupons, save a bit of money. Knowing that it's drugstore, I think this is definitely a product that deserves the stamp of approval in my book. So let me know if you guys have tried out Unbelieva Brow. What did you guys think of it, or are you guys going to be picking this up? Let me know your thoughts. I would love to get your feedback. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you guys did, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you, chickies, so much for watching, and I will see you guys on Friday for a brand new video. Mwah.